Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Our lesson for today will be about the most commonly used verbs in Filipino. Keep watching to learn them and surprise locals with some words you can use when you talk to them. Let's start with one of the most important. Kain. Eat. Kain. 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 Kain tayo. Kain na kayo. Kain na po tayo. The next one is tara. This is let's go in English. Ta-ra. Tara. 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 Tara na ate. Tara sa Manila. Tara na at kumain. Now, we have alis, which means go or go away. Alis. 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 Alis ka dyan. Umalis ka na. Aalis na ako. Uwi is go home in English. Uwi. 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 Uwi na tayo. Uwi na kayo? Oo, uuwi na kami. Uwi na ako. The last but certainly not the least is tulog. It translates to sleep in English. Tulog. 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 Tulog na tayo. Matulog ka na. Matutulog na ako. Now, it's time to practice the words we learned. Kain. Tara. Alis. Uwi. Tulog. Repeat the words on your own, then be ready to use them on some locals. It will surely be fun. I hope you can use these common Filipino verbs and be able to banter with some local people. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.